Were you like in your 20s actually not conscious about how you look?
Male friends तो कहती है they treat you only with the most flaw you have कि तू गंजा हो रहा है. So you were always told ना
कि जाते हैं.
कि जाते हैं. So the partners have two issues. या फिर I'm very happy you going गंजा, just go bald, which is a look, और तू hair transplant करा ले.
Did you try anything for your hair before Traya?
I'm writing it down. My insight has done the South oil thing. Because ऐसे पिक्चरों में भी होता है ना रगड़ो.
You had great set of hair 15 years ago?
No, I didn't. I was already went down very low. I think by 3 months there is a noticeable difference. But I think it's one of those things. अगर 3 महीने कर लिया ना, उसके बाद खुद ही करोगे.
Welcome
To
to
see you
our
finally.
studio. I'm so excited.
I am also so happy. Finally, this is happening.
We have this thing on our channel called Hope Stories. And this is my chance to really meet people that I don't get to meet otherwise, who have used Traya, seen results. So I have met people from Mizoram to Kanyakumari to Jammu and Kashmir. But today I'm breaking all the rules and I have called you. For everyone's reference who are listening, Aditya is my brother-in-law and he has seen Altaf and me very closely build Traya. You're the first person I know personally who has come here.
Oh, good. So it should be interesting.
I have to say कि मैंने 2019 में Traya शुरू किया. मैंने कम से कम 10 लाख इंडियंस के बाल उगा लिए. तब जाके आदित्य कन्विंस हुआ
अच्छा?
कि हाँ.
There is a story there, little bit. We were in Sri Lanka. तो मुझे अल्ताफ ने छेड़ा था उस टाइम पे. तो he had mentioned I'm doing this. आदित्य तू क्यों ट्राई करता? तो तब obviously मैं पागल है क्या? Because obviously you've been brought up saying कि जो गया वो वापस आने नहीं वाला. Of course it takes time. It is a process of not much. What 3 months? I think by 3 months there is a noticeable difference. But I think it's one of those things. अगर 3 महीने कर लिया ना, उसके बाद खुद ही करोगे. वो 3 महीने is the journey. 2 या 3 महीने.
Were you like in your 20s actually not conscious about how you look? Like did you do anything else in life for looks at that point?
You know, your job comes a little in a comfy zone, then you start looking at yourself. I think then I remember I did well and then I start concentrating and I think then again the hair thing comes when, you know, you're trying to see aage kya karna hai. So yeah, so there are these things in my case at least.
Yeah, I think you've had a phenomenal career. Like you've been like really built your career in Bombay, in creative. Do you think that this life in Bombay, which is Monday to Friday का काम, Saturday, Sunday का party, contributes to your hair loss? Like did you ever pinpoint to something why you are losing hair or you felt कि नहीं है ये तो genetics है?
Yes, genetics was always the case and also you were always told ना
कि जाते हैं.
कि जाते हैं. Lifestyle पे कभी किसी ने सोचा ही नहीं because I think in your 20s nobody really cared what is wrong for you. I think caring comes after 35 maybe.
Did you try anything for your hair before Traya?
Yes,
Like
of course. Everybody before doing this, I'm writing it down. My insight has done the South oil thing. पहले because था ही सिर्फ ये जो भी तेल होते हैं ना South वाले, because ऐसे पिक्चरों में भी होते हैं ना रगड़ो, तो उससे बाल आता. सबने ट्राई किया. So I also obviously.
So आपने भी तेल लगाया.
Which had the smell which doesn't leave the pillow for I don't know ever. So that also was done because of parents. Otherwise your partner has an issue. Achha, when your partner has an issue, then obviously the first thing you do is you say the word called let them go more. So the partners have two issues. या फिर I'm very happy you going ganja, just go bald, which is a look, or to hair transplant करा ले. There's a guy called Karan in my office. Now he's bald. He's got the same pattern I have. तो उसको मैंने करवा दिया. उसने 2 काम करे. उसने एक काम किया कि देख मेहनत हर रोज कौन करेगा, drop it, और करना ही है तो let's go for transplant. So that's the thing that he is just waiting कि करा लेंगे. But अब कौन बैठ के ट्राई करे? So I feel that is the thing that you need someone to push you. But I think again today's generation is a little better. They have self love. But otherwise तुमको usually you're looking out for कि चल मैं transplant कराता हूँ. Also nobody really, I don't know if the insight in the world is there, it can really happen.
I think Aditya जब first time आपने सुना कि हम Traya कर रहे हैं, I don't think you believed कि बाल वापस आ सकते हैं.
Because the belief system is there कि गया तो गया.
I also felt Aditya कि one is this disbelief कि ये तो वापस नहीं आ सकते. The second reason for you not starting Traya for years was I felt कि you had convinced yourself that life is good without it.
You don't need it.
You don't need it.
You don't need it. Self-reflection zero हो जाती है. Self-reflection in the sense with respect to what better, what more I can do for myself, zero होती है ना. You're so
busy in life.
Busy in your dincharya.
This inertia of starting Traya is deeply linked to the disbelief. You had great set of hair 15 years ago?
No, I didn't. I was already, I went down very low. I had good set of hair till I came to Bombay, which is 20 years ago.
How hectic is your life? Like, what is your routine like? कितने घंटे आप काम करते हो? कितने घंटे सोते हो? And I'm not saying now.
Used to get up around 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock, depending on, or 9 o'clock, depending on where I had to go. If I had a job, I didn't have a job. Go to the workplace, go downstairs, पीछे खाऊ गली है, which eat that, and that is a high calorie, नहीं, मतलब high in everything. Have that. I literally that biryani, they scoop out and give, and without thinking twice. And then maybe go to the nicer place would be go to that Udupi restaurant and maybe eat whatever, which is I think not bad. Start drinking and then you leave office at 3 in the morning. And yeah, that was lifestyle, and you know, you were thin that time, so when from thin you became unhealthy. That's the right word to use. You never knew because you were too busy doing the same thing every single night.
When you started facing hair loss, do you remember that it affected you?
You cared when you met people, and if somebody said something, because there are not too many comebacks of when somebody gives a slight taunt about you losing hair. Otherwise, again, timelines were different. People were there was not much self-love. You were too concentrated in what you were doing.
So you've been using Traya now for 2 years.
More or less, two and a half.
Yeah. I just want to ask you, your understanding of hair loss as a subject before Traya and after Traya. What do you know more about hair? And I'm putting the first pointer there as वो वापस आ सकते हैं.
मुझे ये समझ आ गई, if your head starts to shine, which is reflecting of light, गए. What I did know that they can revive. Initially, I did not know that. I can now look at a person's hair and tell you कि उसके बाल वापस आ सकते हैं कि नहीं. मुझे लगता है मैं इतना एक्सपर्ट बन चुका हूँ.
बस आप extended Traya employee बन चुके हैं. So we are on Traya. You have started the treatment. Your wife Malvika has pushed you. Thanks to her. पहले 3-4 महीने कोई रिजल्ट नहीं आता. ये आपको मैंने सही से समझा दिया था. Did you face any issues in the beginning?
There is an entire kit. But I, and I'm sure there are others like me who say बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत है. तो मैंने नहीं किया वो. Initially I did everything, including the oil. So itching थी. Best thing to do, and you should tell this to your customers. Brush is the best thing, but itching होती है. But itching होती है, I think again one needs to tell everybody कि itching होती है means it's working according to me.
Itching होती है is not that it's working.
100%. नहीं itching हो रही तो नहीं काम कर. I am very clear on that.
4 महीने बाद पहली बार आपको कब realize हुआ कि बाल आ रहे हैं?
I think it was sitting somewhere and Malika crossed me, कहते हैं तो बाल आ रहे हैं. And then I think she started looking for the pictures कि अच्छा कोई photo होगी, because nobody takes consciously a picture. तो yeah, but उसके बाद you go home and then people start telling you, then you meet your friends. And friends, so male friends, so कहती है, they treat you only with the most flaw you have, कि तू गंजा हो रहा है. So I think there one realizes कि अच्छा कमाल है,
आ रहे हैं.
का कमाल है, आ रहे हैं.
Do you think that when you got your hair back, it sort of put you in a place in life where you felt मैं और करता हूँ. अब मुझे मजा आ रहा है.
Yeah, of course, this happens, and that's I think that boosts your confidence a lot. It's an overall package.
How did you feel when this was happening?
Feel very good. You feel, because I think only when you hit your late 30s or 40s, Mike is 40s, you realize कि यार जवानी की vibe अलग होती है. So when you have these things going on, so you feel very good. Yeah? That's why you get into this whole running, shunning. Why do you get into? It's not fun, no? So you feel good about yourself. You feel like chalo, you know, you're healthy and you're trying to be healthy. You're doing things like this. So yeah, it's a very good feeling.
अभी 2 साल हो गए हैं. You are on your minoxidil in defense.
Yes.
Like anything.
Yeah. You know, I just to let everybody know, I ran out of it one day and I called her कि मुझे आज ही भेज दो.
और मैंने V-Fast करवाया.
V-Fast करवाया. हाँ.
No, but thank you so much, Aditya, for coming here. This is a very special episode.
Thank you.
And I'm very thankful for you to be here.
Chalo, thank you.
We did it.
Yes.